Hey, how's it going, everybody? I wanted to make a quick video on Internet Computer and specifically this 𝘂𝗵𝗽𝗁. I haven't done a video or posted much about Internet Computer in a while, and it's overdue because they have some amazing applications right now. So this 𝘂𝗵𝗽𝗁 that I've been using is pretty similar to Telegram. So for those of you that are following me on Telegram and on X, I have a Telegram group, and it's due diligence. It's focused on the adoption of digital assets. And I've got different sections here. I've got a federal, enterprise. There's even a trader section. And on 𝘂𝗵𝗽𝗁, it allows you to do the exact same thing. It allows you to create different topics. So here I've got a topic that's dedicated to the hypergraph, because I hope that someday in the near future, somebody will build an application that bridges both ecosystems together. I've got a federal section here that's going to be focused on any news surrounding the adoption of digital assets on a federal level. And then I've got an enterprise section here that's focused on, how major enterprises could benefit from using distributed ledger technology. And I posted an article here about this two-factor authentication app got hacked and millions of phone numbers were stolen. And just find that pretty ironic here that the two-factor authentication app got hacked. But the big difference between Telegram and what's happening on Internet Computer is everything is on chain. All of this is on chain. So that message that I just posted is on chain. The other thing that you can do that's pretty remarkable and will ease the adoption of cryptocurrencies, I think, is being able to send somebody money seamlessly and easily. So all I'm doing here is just putting in this guy's username, and that's it. Thanks for joining. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to remember somebody's wallet address. You don't even need some sort of special wallet. As soon as you join this group, this 𝘂𝗵𝗽𝗁, it already creates one for you. So you don't need to do anything. It's there. So, it doesn't get any easier than that, than just sending somebody a currency by just putting in their username. And so, see, there you go. And it's not just ICP. I mean, there's all these other tokens that are on Internet Computer right now. You could even send somebody Bitcoin on this thing. And, there is literally thousands of transactions happening right now. Right now, look at this. Almost 5,000 transactions a second. And speaking of Bitcoin, there you go. This is the volume of Bitcoin. You can send somebody Bitcoin right now, just on the Internet Computer. You can send somebody Bitcoin faster on Internet Computer than you can, I think, any other app. So, I really hope that everybody welcomes and uses Internet Computer a little bit. I don't know why they don't get the recognition that they do. It's pretty wild to me, because you have things that are built completely on chain that isn't currently possible on any other networks. You can't do any of that stuff on Solana. It's not even possible. So I would like to see more people, more communities expressing the same welcomeness that these guys have shown. you know, I have gotten nothing but support from that community. And I really hope that this upcoming hackathon that's coming up in like a week from Constellation, I hope somebody builds some sort of application that would bridge both of these ecosystems together. But, you know, I look forward to people joining my my group here, my open chat, and I'm going to dive deeper into the internet community as a whole, because, you know, there's probably tons more applications that I'm not even aware of that you can do really amazing stuff like this. You know, you can even send a voice message here. You could even start a broadcast. You can do a video broadcast inside this application, and it's all on chain. Like, that to me is pretty wild, and I don't know why more people aren't talking about it, but here's my first attempt to talk about it. Let me know what you guys think below, and I hope to see you in the group. And any other tips about internet computer, some apps, I'd like to know. All right, take it easy.